Hello, teachers. Here is a brief introduction into using STEMSIMS with your students. To log in, select the Login button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Enter the teacher username and password we provided to you. Please do not change the login credentials since all your district teachers will be using the same teacher login. Once you log in, you can access any of the simulations. To do so, select the Simulation tab from the top left menu bar. The Introduction to STEMSIMS video provides you with information on the various elements of STEMSIMS, such as challenges, backgrounds, lessons, and assessments. Your students will log in just as you did, only using the common student username and password we provided to you. Do not share your teacher login information with your students. Just like the teacher login information, do not change any student username or password since all district students will be sharing one student account. Your students can use the lesson templates found by selecting the Methods tab and submit their work to you in a couple different ways. You can download the PDF version of the lesson and have them complete the lesson via paper and pencil. You can download the Word document version of the lesson, make any changes you like to the lesson, and have your students email back the Word document or complete the document via paper and pencil. Lastly, you can have your students complete the on-screen version of the lesson, have them export or save their completed work as a PDF, and have them email the PDF lesson back to you. The student tracking feature is not activated by your free trial of STEMSIMS. The student tracking version allows your students to complete and submit their work to you via online.